We all knew OpenAI was cooking up on hardware, but what will its first gadgets be? Now we know. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to a new report, the first official ChatGPT device to see the light of day will be a smart speaker with an integrated camera. As per the information via The Verge, the device will come in at around $200 to $300 and will be able to recognize objects around it as well as recognize faces to authorize purchases. This speaker might be somewhat similar to Amazon Echo that showed up with Alexa on board 12 years ago. Sure, the AI on board will be vastly different, but the form factor are the same. Though not all details are out in the latest report, it does say that smart glasses and a smart lamp are also under consideration as OpenAI tries to put ChatGPT more into our daily lives. Besides this, there's been a lot of chatter about what OpenAI could be working on next, as it now partners with ex-Apple design chief John Ive. Just last month, it was heard that the company was planning to launch a behind-the-ear wearable which will remain always on and ready to assist you. Whispers about an AI-powered ChatGPT pen were also heard that'll let you record voice notes and handwritten text. All in all, we now know a few devices are being considered, even if not being developed, and OpenAI must strike the right balance between functionality, price, battery power, and user privacy. AI devices haven't performed well till date, but since ChatGPT serves millions of users each day, it remains to be seen whether it'll make us want to carry the AI chatbot around with us all the time. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.